This is Motorola Moto G15, and today I'll show how you can copy your contacts on this device. So at the start, you will need to find and launch the Contacts app. Here, go into the Organize tab and press Manage SIM. Now select the contacts from your SIM card that you would like to transfer or copy to the internal storage of your Motorola phone. Now, once every contact is selected, every contact you want to transfer, of course, press the Import button at the top right corner. And as you can see, the contacts get imported just like that. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye-bye.